Hello everyone in the Future channel. What does it mean of falling point terminology? What does it mean of clearance point terminology? What does it mean of falling point? Falling point is the point on one diverging line where the extremity of a train would just not touch a train on the other diverging line, or falling point, the limit of occupation of converging tracks at turnouts and crossings. As illustrated here in the diagram, we have this point is a falling point where we have both trains in adjacent lines, and this is the point where both envelope for both trains can be only touch both each other. What does it mean of clearance point? Clearance point is a position on a diverging line which is sufficiently far from the falling point such that a train detected beyond it would always be adequately clear of another train on the other line. As illustrated here, we have the falling point and the distance far from this falling point with the first axle for the other train in the adjacent line is called a clearance point. Clearance point, a position on the diverging line to allow sufficiently safe clearance between trains in all circumstances, which means that in that distance there is no crash between both trains in the adjacent line because they are separated with a space adequately to keep both trains safe from any crash. What does it mean of the flank point? What does it mean of flank protection? Let's figure it out in the upcoming video. Thank you.